Hi, this is Esther from Cemantica. Hope you're doing well. I'm going to introduce you today to Alex AI Pro or agentic and conversational AI. All right, so here you are on the Cemantica platform on the homepage. You can see that this area is dedicated to Alex AI Pro. So very simple. It's a simple chat. So you see Alex here, and you can basically start asking him any question about anything that is in your Cemantica environment. So it could be about your journeys, it could be about your KPI, it could be about your revenues, it could be about anything. So you have example here. For example, which KPI driving the CSAT drop? Which journey drive the most revenue? What are the most recurring pain points in some specific journeys? So then you can type here and then Alex will answer, but he will give you, a very documented answer. So for example, I had one here that was, what are the most recurring pain points, in some of the journeys. So here you see that Alex is documented everything. He's giving me like a chart with the most recurring pain points across my journey maps. Is giving me the dominant friction theme, the secondary friction signals, then another analysis of improvement chain coverage, etc. And then at the end, Alex is always giving you recommendation on what maybe you think you should do as a next step. So I have another research here that was the question was, give me all the moments of truth in the master cook journey. So Alex, same here, is giving you a very detailed information. It's like a report about the moment of truth with the sentiment across the journey. So he's summarizing everything, the experience signal distribution. This is the repartition of all my insights, the improvement pipeline health. So for example, 62 pains don't have opportunities, etc. So where it breaks also. So you really have a lot of information here. And at the end, always a recommendation focus, from Alex. So you see, it's pretty easy to use Alex. It's a very nice agent. You can have as many conversations as you wish, and then you can export, all the conversation and share it with different stakeholders. All right. So Alex is a conversational AI, is also an agentic AI. But if you want to have more information about Alex, please contact us or go on our website on cemantica.com or contact us at info@cemantica.com. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.